Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live broadcast. We just started right now. They're going to be talking about Shiba. Yeah, guys, and remember, guys, this is our last month doing this. So please, guys, jump onto the bandwagon, okay? This is our last month. Starting beginning next month, we're not going to be doing this. But, guys, just reach out. We're looking for people that are into crypto. Yes, thank you so much. We're looking for people that are into crypto. So if any of you guys are into crypto, please feel free to reach out to us, scan us, join us on WhatsApp, and we will explain everything on there. Excuse me. So we're gonna be talking about SHIB. Okay, so let's just go. Market analysis. I'm not gonna be saying too much. Uh, So there you go. That is SHIB for you. It is a dog themed cryptocurrency. Okay, got some news there. hmm So, yeah, there you go. So, yeah, the dog themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. So, the recent spike in Shiba Inu's burn rate reaching an astronomical 38,199, 38, I can't even, 38 million, is that million, 38 million, 199, 412%. This has caught the attention of the cryptocurrency community. That is a crazy astronomical figure. So this significant burn amounting to 39,345,499 SHIB tokens destroyed within 24 hours initially propelled the price to an intraday high of zero, that figure that you see there. However, the rally was short-lived and the price experienced a pullback, currently hovering around that zero, currently hovering around that uh, 0.0001395, down slightly over the past 24 hours and week. So let's have some key observations here that we can, some key takeaways, so what really went down. So yeah, so the dramatic impact in the burn rate indicates a deliberate effort to reduce the circulating supply of SHIB, which can be a bullish signal. However, the immediate price reaction suggests that the market may have anticipated this burn, leading to a quick profit taking scenario. You could also see that the price increase following the burn met with resistance as the market took some profits. And this behavior just suggests that while the burn had a positive impact, it wasn't enough to sustain a prolonged rally. And also the slight decline in price just indicates that traders might be waiting for stronger signals or more significant catalysts before committing to further buying. Okay, market sentiment as well. The cautious approach of the market participants reflect uncertainty, right? While the burn rate spike is a positive development, the overall market dynamics and potential external factors are influencing SHIB's price behavior. So definitely, there you go, guys. So what they could be a short-term outlook here. If you look at the recent pullback after the burn-induced rally, suggests that SHIB might need more substantial momentum or broader market support to break out of its current price range. The quick retreat in price highlights the importance of monitoring resistance levels and being cautious with expectations of sustained rallies based solely on burn rate increases. Okay, so what are the long-term implications considering what happens? So while the relationship between token burns and price appreciation is often a positive thing, it's not always like straightforward. Okay, it doesn't work like that all the time. A sustained reduction in circulating supply, also coupled with strong demand, could lead to a more significant price increase over time. However, market participants appear to be waiting for more consistent positive developments before making larger moves. Strategic considerations. Okay, so if you are trading or investing in SHIB, it would be wise to closely monitor the broader market sentiments, okay, and any upcoming news or developments that could further provide momentum, okay. So given this recent price action, setting stop losses would be a wise thing to do. So let's just move on. Welcome to the live broadcast. If you're joining us right here, right now, how are you guys doing? We welcome you here. I hope you guys are having a great time. So let's move on with the presentation. Let's see what else we have for you. So that's what has been happening with SHIB. Yeah, some crazy stuff, okay? So SHIB's price following the rebound. So SHIB's price following the rebound from the low of that figure that you see there on August the 5th. FIB registered its biggest gain since April 2024 during Thursday's trading session to reach a high of $0.0000144. The bulls attempted to extend Shiba Inu's current rally, but encountered some resistance at 0.0001468 during today's trading session before the price retreated. If Shiba Inu breaks below the current price level, it could indicate that the sentiment remains bearish and traders are selling on rallies. In such a case, Shiba Inu could retest the 0.00010 support level. However, on the upside, the bears are expected to defend the daily moving averages 50 and 200, okay, at 0.000163 and 0.00203 respectively, as a breakout and closely above these key levels could pave the way for a rally to 0.0020. Such a move could target the 0.0003 level. I'm just reading here, okay? I prepared this, so I have to read. So just a general market analysis there. Let's move on. Let's see what's next. Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu, let's go. So there you go. There you go, Shiba Inu. We're going to talk a little bit about this this chart. Okay, allow me to just put my face in the corner. What am I doing? Welcome, follow. Okay, let me put it here. This is a lot better over here. Okay, so now let's go, okay? So yeah, this is our tech analysis. Now let's just jump into it right here. What's jumping out? What can we see here? So this is the price chart for our SHIB US dollar, okay? Shiba Inu in US dollar. And You can see some MACD and volume indicators on it as well. So let's just talk about the current price movement, the current price trajectory based on this chart that you see here. So you can see that the chart is showing a history of high volatility with significant spikes, also followed by long periods of consolidation. So that's just, you see there, volatility, spikes, and followed by long periods of consolidation. So you can see that on the chart right here. For the recent price action, it seemed to be in a downtrend, with price currently trading below the moving averages. So here, guys, you can see that the price is trading below the moving averages, and it is in a downtrend. And you can also notice that from the chart here, the price seems to have also dropped below a key support, suggesting further downtrend or bearish sentiments. Okay, so you can just clearly see that. Let's go to something else as well. You can see the MACD is showing a bearish crossover, where the MACD line crosses below the signal line. Okay, the red line crosses the green line. This is what we're talking, and this is generally a bearish signal, indicating a potential continuation of a downward trend. Okay, so definitely that is what we see from the MACD line there as well. MACD, I'm talking about the moving average convergence divergence as well. You can also notice to see that as per the volume here, guys, the volume seems to have spiked only during the major price movements, but since has tapered off. Okay, so spike during price movements, but if there are no price movements, it's tapered off. So low volume during the current downtrend could indicate a lack of buying interest. Like people are not interested in buying it, which may lead to the continuation of that downward trend or that downward pressure. Okay, so definitely something that is clear to see here. You can see that Shiba Inu on this chart, guys, is currently in a bearish phase. The price has broken. Yeah, make sure that you follow. I see one person is watching. You can see that the price has broken below the key support levels, and the MACD is showing bearish signals as well. Low volume, low trading volume further supports the idea that there isn't much buying interest in Shiba Inu at the current levels or at the current price. Okay, so what could be the potential strategy here? What could be the potential strategy? According to what you see on this chart, if you're considering entering a position, it might be wise, it might also be prudent to wait for signs of maybe a reversal or a strong support for the stock price to establish a strong support level. And also, alternatively, if you're already holding a SHIB US dollar, you might want to just maybe kind of monitor the support levels closely and consider setting something like a stop loss orders to protect against further downside. Okay, so those are just some of the specifics that are there for on this chart that we just talked about. Some declines and a lot of bearish signals. We did look at the MACD, the volume, the trading under those moving averages, all showing a sort of like a bearish trend, which might continue. Okay, so that was just a brief technical analysis. Let's move on. I have another chart as well, more or less. There you go, there another one as well. So you can see so we also, this one is also focusing on that recent price action. Okay, so we've got, you can see that we have that support that consolidation there, support A, that long one there. So you can see that the price is approaching a key support level, which is A there. The price is comfortable around A, and it's around that 0.00010, which is marked by that A range. This level can be tested, this level has been tested before, and it seems that the price likes to be holding near this support currently, as based on this chart that you're seeing right now. And you can also see that for here on this chart, the trend for the price is still in a downtrend, trading below the moving averages, which also is sloping downward. And this reinforces what we've been talking about on the previous slide, that the bearish sentiments for this one. Bearish signal, like I did say, on your MACD, on your MACD, the MACD line, which is the red line here, remains below the signal line. The signal line is the black line, indicating that ongoing bearish momentum. Okay, so that decline. And also you can see that the MACD histogram is in sort of like what we term like negative territory, reflecting strong downward trend momentum, or downtrend momentum. And you can also see that the lines are diverging, which could suggest that the bearish momentum is accelerating. Okay, what are some of the strategies that we might do here if we're investors or traders? As you know, I usually give short-term or long-term. Okay, so short-term trading. So given that the price is sort of like approaching a significant support zone, this might be an area where some traders look for a potential bounce. Some, not all, okay. But however, based on what we see here, the strong bearish momentum and signals from the MACD suggest that we proceed with caution. Okay, so you have to be cautious. Okay, and also we got to wait for some sort of confirmation. So it might be really wise to wait for the price to either strongly bounce off the support level or break below it, coupled with increased buying volume before making a trading decision. Okay, so that is also something that you should be cognizant of. And also things like risk management, right? Risk management. So if you're somebody and you're thinking of entering maybe a long position near the support level, please consider setting tight stop losses just below the support to limit potential downside. So tight stop losses below the support to limit potential downside. But if the price breaks below this level, however, it could lead to further declines. Okay, so definitely that's all we had for you guys. So in summary, you can see that this chart suggests that here the SHIB, this price is at a critical point where the support level will play a key role in determining the next moves. Okay, so you should closely monitor that support level, that A there, so it's very crucial in making informed decisions about trading and something else as well. So that's just what we had for you in terms of that breakdown, that analysis of the chart. Now let's move on to, you can notice that we will discontinue doing the live broadcast. So you're seeing now that our production, our content, our output, the duration is becoming smaller and smaller because we will be discontinuing doing live broadcasts. But I see one person watching there. We are looking for people that are into crypto. If you understand cryptocurrency, it's cryptocurrency your playing field. We are looking forward to working with people that have knowledge about cryptocurrency and trading in general. So please kindly just reach out through our WhatsApp there. Please kindly just scan and come, let's talk, let's discuss. We want to know more about you, and we will also tell you more about us. So if you are into know about crypto, currently you're doing something in crypto, please feel free to reach out to us. We are looking to be in partnership with people that are understand or work in cryptocurrency. So there's nothing to fear. Just add us on WhatsApp, and we will chop it up over there. Okay, so now let's go. Now we're left with some trading reviews. I always do these ones. I'm always doing these reviews. I'm always doing these reviews. We actually just these are companies that we've just spoken about. Okay, in the past we've spoken about these companies. So where is it? If you want to find out more, this is just a prediction. These are companies that you should look at. We've been talking about Bitcoin recently, doing some analysis, reporting on the current Bitcoin situation. So there you go, guys. Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, and many other companies that we do. So you can see that it's actually those three at the top. They are indicated as your long-term investments. So they are perfect for long-term investment. There are some suggested buying price. In relation to the dates. So this is maybe a week from a week ago, from 2 weeks ago. So these were our predictions. Currently, I'm not monitoring. So maybe you guys might want to go and monitor and also try to compare with this data whether the buying price is still is higher or lower, whether the increase has been higher or lower, and how generally how these stocks are or this Bitcoin is performing in terms of its price, price performance, things like profit and the likes. So there we go. We have this one, and it's just a trading report. Some companies that we've already spoken about in the previously, just giving you guys a look at some of this. Okay, and that one as well. These ones are some of the companies that we spoke about in months of June and May. I haven't checked on them. So we did speak, and you can also go see our other live broadcasts. Feel free to go see our live broadcast as well. I did so many lives on all these companies. So this is just our trading review, some of the companies that we've spoken of, companies that are in different sectors. Okay, we did speak on this one as well. So there's really nothing here, but if you want to find out more, please follow us on WhatsApp. We've reached the end of our broadcast. We've done the analysis. We've spoke at length about what happens with Doge, and we've reached the end of our live broadcast. So guys, feel free to reach out if you're into crypto. We are looking to work with people who understand crypto or who have a passion for crypto. Follow us there on our WhatsApp. Send us a message. We will respond back to you. Okay, guys, thanks for joining us and being on the stream together. Until further notice, guys, goodbye.